Technological advancements are at their peak and expectations are getting higher day by day. Due to the high demand for upgradation in the applications, it sometimes becomes challenging for the developers to manage the development process. But the world is evolving and the service platform for developers is also speeding up. In addition, various methods have been framed to help the developers to make them work smoothly without much difficulty. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will tell you the difference between AWS Amplify and Google Firebase. AWS Amplify and Google Firebase are the two frameworks creating a great buzz in the market and also putting the question forward of which is better. But before answering that, let's gather some information about these two frameworks. Let's first talk about the meaning of the two. So, AWS Amplify is an open source framework fully combined with AWS that works with multiple databases such as GraphQL. Also, it allows mobile and web development services to work smoothly. Whereas Firebase is a BaaS service from Google that is fully integrated with the REST API and works with NoSQL database. In addition, it is manageable, easy to use and extensible. So this was a quick brief about these two services, and now let's reveal the differences between these two structures, that is AWS Amplify and Google Firebase. Let's get started. What's in common with AWS Amplify and Google Firebase? The needs and requirements differ from project to project but can be met with the help of various technologies nowadays. It depends on you and your project requirements, and one should be careful when selecting a great tech stack. Firebase and AWS Amplify offer a fully managed backend infrastructure. You can count it as their main selling point or their USP. It indicates that the team doesn't have to put extra effort and time into transforming the backend. Instead, we can configure it and connect the app real quick. The tasks of developers have been simplified with the support of AWS Amplify and Firebase. Also, teams can work in both frameworks and have access to a unique set of tools that speeds up the development process to produce useful apps. Firebase and AWS Amplify help develop web and mobile applications, support the management process, quick releases, and bring huge user engagement. Because of these advanced services or tech support, engineers can concentrate more on front-end development and improve the experience of the users, which can help in huge customer engagement. We believe that the introduction of AWS Amplify and Firebase has incorporated some fresh ideas for backend development at ForceBolt. Our great services can provide rapid and high-quality development services that greatly benefit your business. ForceBolt offers ample opportunities and solutions to meet your unique requirements. With this, let's wrap up the video here. We hope this information was helpful. We will be glad to know your feedback or suggestions in the comment section below to help us improve more and meet your expectations. So till then, share and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates.